League, the disability warriors, fighting for those who cannot fight for themselves.
As an advocate for the disabled in Ohio, one of the toughest conversations that I have almost every day with my clients involves how long it takes for their case to be heard and approved by Social Security. That's called the backlog. Essentially, the backlog is the period of time from an application until a person actually has their claim approved or awarded by Social Security. In the areas where we primarily practice at Liner Legal, in the Cleveland hearing office, which includes people in Lorain as well as Ashtabula and Lake counties, the average wait time from when they're denied at the reconsideration level and file a hearing request until the actual hearing is about 15 months. And our clients in the Akron hearing office, which includes clients from Youngstown, Warren, as well as the Canton areas, takes as much as 16 months from the time of the hearing request until the hearing actually happens. So the question that we get all the time is, what can I do during that backlog? I have a mortgage payment that I have to make, I have a rent I have to pay to keep a roof over my head. How am I able to do that while I'm waiting all this time? One of the things that we do, and I want to explain in this video, is what's called a dire need request. For a dire need request to go before a judge to hopefully expedite a case, which is the goal of it, there's certain things that we look for. We look for legal proceedings where there's actually been the filing of an eviction or filing of a foreclosure, so somebody is at risk of becoming homeless. We can file a dire need request when a person actually is homeless, meaning they don't have a roof over their head at night. We also look to see if we can possibly help with dire need if there's an essential utility cutoff. I'm not talking about your cable television bill or your internet. I'm talking if you're in a situation where you are at risk of losing your electricity, your gas, your water, essential utilities that you need to live in your day-to-day life. If you send us those bills, we can forward them along to Social Security and try to work with them to get them to speed up the case. The last thing that we do at Liner Legal, with some pretty good success, is we have great relationships with the congressmen and senators at the federal level who sometimes are able to put in a request for one of their constituents, you, the individual applying for disability, to try and get a case moved along, sped up. If you have any questions about how we can help you with your case and maybe help it move along a little bit quicker, please give us a call today. Let us answer your questions, see what we can do for you. But thank you for watching this video. For more tips like the one you just heard, check us out on our YouTube page or on Facebook. Or even better, give us a call today at 216-282-1773.